Oktay, welcome to India. It's great to meet up with you, and we're at the Makersan booth at Excon 2023. Let's start off by understanding what is your purpose of being here as an exhibitor at Excon 2023.
Thank you, Bola. It's also good from my side to see you again in this exhibition. To be in Excon is important for us because we want to be part of Indian industry. Indian industry is growing at the high rates recently, and it will be third right now, I believe, and it will be playing to the second largest industry in the world soon. So we want to have a share in that industry. We want to have also a contribution on that industry. That's why we are here in India. We already started working with some large OEs. We are implementing our HMIs. We are implementing our keyboards, HMI keypads, and we are also integrating our electronic panels. So we are very optimistic about Indian market because, as I said, India is growing, needs a lot of investment for the infrastructure. For making infrastructure, they will require large construction machines, and these construction machines are going to be sophisticated, and they will require our sophisticated products to be coupled, to be assembled with them. So, as I said, Makersan is going to be in India, and we are also planning to make local production in India in the coming years, and we will have a presence here, and we don't think about leaving at all. We will be here forever.
Beautiful, right. Makersan has participated in Excon in the past, and I think we've also seen you at Baumacon Expo in India. So this shows that the construction equipment segment is a very important, focus for you. Can you talk us a little bit about, how important is this particular segment for Makersan?
Construction machine equipment segment is very important for us because the products we are manufacturing, designing, and also offering to the customers are related with the manufacturing construction machines. The construction machines in time is getting much more sophisticated. They are trying to be fuel efficient because it's a concern for the environmental concern. They are becoming more electronic compared to the last years, and you could say that the hydraulic is phasing out. Now the electronic is replacing hydraulic, and all our products are electronic products, and we are replacing hydraulic control systems with electronic control systems, and we are investing on this also. Since there will be more construction machines and there will be more components, electronic components on it, we believe this is going to be our future for growth and prospect. That's why we are much more concentrated on construction machines.
Very, very interesting observation on the shift from hydraulic to electronic, right? And an observation from our end, when we walk around this huge exhibition, we don't think there are too many companies offering the kind of products that you're offering. A typical mechatronic product, heavy on electronics as well. So what kind of a differentiation do you think Makersan offers, which probably nobody else or very few others offer, the Indian market?
We are standing out with our unique production facility. Everything is under the same roof. We are designing, tooling, we are doing electronic assembly, we are doing plastic injection, we are doing welding. Everything is under the same roof. And also, it's a family business, which is being run by three brothers. Owners are deeply involved with the production, especially one of them is electronic engineer, the other one is mechanical engineer. So one side, electronic engineer is leading electronic development, other side, mechanical engineer is leading mechanical development and also tooling. That makes us unique, and they are very open-minded. Rather than being business-minded, they are always on the developing side. They don't care about how much or how many products they can sell. The only aim they have is to realize the product they want to achieve. That's how we are entering to the market. And most of the products we are showcasing here in the exhibition, at the beginning they didn't have any customers at all. It's been done just to show to the customers and get their appreciation and also gain them as a customers in the future. That's how we are differentiating. And besides, we have also good knowledge about the mechanical parts, because Makersan has been founded in 1978 as a mechanical part manufacturer, latches, hinges, that kind of mechanical parts. So they combine this knowledge, experience with their new knowledge about electronics to make mechatronic products, which leads us to success and took us beyond the other competitors.
Fantastic, fantastic, very interesting. And that's the meaning of innovation, right? I mean, doing something without even being asked for,
That's
and
correct.
showing the customer that something like this could be done.
That's correct.
That's very, very interesting, right? Coming back to India, so Makersan is a global company. I mean, you have customers across the globe. How important is India as a market for you, especially in this exhibition? We're seeing so much, footfall from global visitors, so many global exhibitors as well. So, how important is India for your global business? And can you also help us understand what is the business contribution of India to your global sales right now, and how do you see that growing in future?
I mean, right now, I can say that as a sales percentage, it's very minimal. But we are believing it will grow. As you said, global. All global manufacturers are having manufacturing plants in India right now. For example, we are working, I don't know if we are working with Manitou. Manitou has production plant here. We are supplying to Italy, we are supplying France, we are supplying United States. So we are also supplying to the India. Same thing for the Bobcat. We are supplying United States, we are supplying France, but they have also plant in the India. So all large construction machine companies, they have production plants. We have to be here to serve them, because most of the production will be shifted from other locations to India, because India's position is unique. As a large population, very well-educated population with the engineers, also infrastructure is growing. I believe in future, India is going to be the production center of the world. So our presence is imminent in India.
Right. And just extending the same, what about Makersan producing in India, not just for India, but for the globe as well?
Makersan, for example, is also serving a bus business, and we have developed a latch after the requirement, a handle for the emergency handle, because we have seen that there is a necessity, and most of the emergency handles in the bus was made by unprofessional, let's say, people. So we have designed a new type, and we have also filed a patent for that emergency handle for India, and we have offered to the customers. But we have seen that there are also other countries who might need it, and we are also expanding the sales of this emergency handle, for example, which has been developed only for India, now to the other countries.
Brilliant, brilliant, right. One last thing on 2024. What are your major targets, growth targets for the year, especially for India?
Especially for India, we will have more than 100%. That's my belief. That's also my target. With our new manager for India country, which has been expatriated from Turkey, we have experienced in 2023 a growth of already almost 300% compared to the earlier years. But it has reached a maturity. I believe we will experience at least a 100%, a double fold of increase on business. Might be threefold or fourfold, because right now we are making deals with the companies for the new projects. If all happens, I mean, that will be beyond our dreams, I can say.
Fantastic.